What's up guys, it's Randy Rhodes FL, and today we're taking a look at some Tropaya Fresh Press Live Rosin from Goldflower. Right away you can see, this is Fresh Press, super glassy, almost like shatter. It's got that translucent look, and it'll actually snap instead of scoop. So Fresh Press Live Rosin is basically rosin that hasn't been whipped or cured yet. It's straight off the press, which is why it keeps this brittle, sheet-like consistency. The biggest thing with Fresh Press is how you handle it. If it's cold, it'll snap into shards. If it warms up, it can get a little sticky and harder to work with. So a quick tip, keep it cool if you want this consistency. Take it out of the fridge, break a piece off, and put it back in. Otherwise, it'll start to butter up over time and turn more into a batter. I like using my Focus V Saber hot knife for this, especially with Fresh Press, because you can just break off a clean shard without making a mess. You just grab a piece like this, load it up into the Puffco. It's a nice little shard, and you can drop it right into the chamber. Super clean, super easy. That's Fresh Press Live Rosin.